great question. It's a personal question. I always tell patients everyone looks different. Everyone's nose is different from every other person's, just like the vagina is different for every single person. Even if two people have the exact same looking anatomy, but they feel differently about it, are affected differently, then one person might be a candidate for surgery and the other one might not. Basically, if there is discomfort in certain clothing, discomfort in certain social situations because a woman feels like she has to readjust herself constantly. If she avoids wearing certain clothing, bikinis, tight-fitting clothing, jeans even, because she might feel uncomfortable or see a visible bulge, then that's also an indication that you should talk to someone about it. There are different reasons, and a board-certified plastic surgeon can help you.